Hi, I'm Caroline from ReachHealth. I'm an EFT therapist. I just want to invite you along on Tuesday. We're doing a EFT group on stress, anxiety and depression and how EFT can help with that tapping. If you haven't heard of tapping or EFT, it's a fantastic approach which works on calming the nervous system, releasing stress held in the body very, very quickly, and it's literally at your fingertips. I'll be talking about how stress affects the brain and the body and showing you this simple technique. We'll be trying it together as a group and you'll go away with a tool that you can keep using. The first session's free on Tuesday and subsequent sessions after that are $35, and they'll go for another 3 weeks, and every month we're going to keep changing topic. This is a great way to have a stress relieving tool in your toolkit, not only for you but also if you've got children, it works really, really well for them as well. So come along and enjoy this evening with me. Thank you.